Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. Today we will discover the min, max, and step in the input element settings, specifically the slider field. So just to make sure we understand the difference between the default and the changes we're making, I'm going to keep the default up here and I'm going to make the changes to the bottom one. So I'm going to go to settings and I can find the min, max, and step right over here. For the min, I'm going to keep it at a 0. For the max, however, I'm changing this to a 20. And for the step, let's give it a 5. I'm going to go ahead and save the changes. And now let's preview. So here on my default slider, I can see that it starts at a 0. And it's giving us increments of 1 all the way to a 10. So now to the slider that we make changes to, we see that it starts at a 0. And that is because we gave it a min of 0. And now we notice that it's giving us increments of 5, which is what we put in the step. And it goes all the way to a 20, which is our max. So now you can see some of the uses you can find when making changes to the min, max, and the step in your slider field.